Welcome back to the training. This is the second part of the ebook uploading. In the previous one, we talked about how to upload our ebook on Amazon, but now we are going to be talking about how we are going to upload the ebook on Kobo platform now. So stay tuned and let's get started. Let us get started. So you log into your browser. So you click on your kobo.com. For the first time, if you have not published the book, any book on Kobo, this is how it's going to look like. So you click on create your ebook. Create your ebook. Click here and upload your cover. Document. So you upload your cover. Ebook title, come to the ebook, so you copy, proceed, and come here, you paste it, come back here, copy. Then you paste the subtitle to paste it here. So the name of the author will be automatically there. So if you now want to change the name of the author, maybe this is not the name of the author, maybe your friend wrote a book and you want to help him or her to publish it on your website, you can just change the name of your friend, your name, and put the name of your friend, so anyhow you want it. Now you come here. If the ebook, you change the ebook language here. If the ebook language is not English, so you come here, you change it to your language. So my language is Spanish. So after that, you come to edit category. I told you before that the topic I'm publishing has to do with health, keto diet. So that will be under non-function. So you come scroll down, health and well-being, choose general. So you can also select food and cooking, food and drinks. You select general, when it has to do with food. Keto has to do with food and health and fitness. So you can also select fitness because it has to do with fitness. So you click on confirm. After you click on confirm, you can see the ebook cover has already been displaying. That means the ebook is there. So now here you are going to write the description. Same description you use on your Amazon is what you are going to use. You don't need to be racking your head before you get another description. Just use the same one, the same thing you use on your Amazon. Control C and copy, and you come back to the platform. So you paste it here. After you paste it, very simple. This place it is very simple to publish. Just click on save and continue. When you save and continue, just upload your ebook. Click here and upload the ebook. When you click here and you upload the ebook, so search for it. Keto. Open it. Then you click on upload. So uploading the ebook content. The ebook is on its way. So the ebook is already converting. They are converting it to their own format. So we need to wait for them, just like Amazon too. So immediately the thing stop loading, so we just close this one. Now you click on next. Here now they said the same sales rights above are applied to the program for making your ebook available in applicable territory. Available for Kobo Plus subscription. That is, there are some other websites that Kobo normally supply them ebooks, so you just click on it, you activate it. That is, include every Kobo Plus in available. That is, every site they submit books to. So this one too has to do with your ebook will be available on Overdraft catalog. There's another site that is called Overdraft. So ebook will publish your book on Overdraft, and whatever the sales you make on Overdraft, it will be, the payment will be reflecting in your Kobo account. So they know how to do that one themselves. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to worry yourself. They know how to do that yourself. So but you need to set the price that you want them to be selling it. For me, I normally put a high price on the one on Overdraft. So I'll just put like 6. Then I click on submit and continue. So and the one here will now be 5. Automatically they are going to change the price. So you click on save and continue. Now you are ready to publish. Just click on publish the book. And if you don't want to publish it now, you want to change the date, maybe you want to publish it in December, you can change the date and publish it anytime you want. Just click on publish now. So you publish the book. Publish the book. So we will take it from here. So first we will do a complete content review, which takes about 24 to 74 hours, and then we will list your ebook on Kobo stores. That is, it's going to take them 24 to, same thing as Amazon, 24 hours to 74 hours is what they are going to use in publishing the book. And after they publish, any sales that was being made, your money will be reflecting on your Kobo account, and it will be our Kobo account. Kobo is not like Amazon. On Amazon, the payment is after 60 days. But on Kobo account, you get your money on 15th of every month. In as much your money is more than $35. So you get your money on 15th of every month. On 15th of every month. So you just close this one. Automatically, they said in progress. You can see in progress. That's all. So that's all about how to upload your ebook on Kobo. So the next steps is going to be about how you are going to promote your ebook. Stay tuned.